Hey guys, today we are going to pot up some succulents that I propagated from leaf cuttings, and we'll see if I can get 5 little plants out of these nice little succulents. And I propagated these from some leaves, and they have sprouted really nice. And actually, I probably should have done this a little bit sooner. They're already starting to get a little leggy, but you can see some of these leaves are dying back. So we're gonna see if we can separate these out, and I'm going to go ahead and pot them up in this little clay pot here, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can get these guys to come loose here. Just there we go. There. So I got them out, and we're just going to see if we can go ahead and separate these. Some of these leaves have some roots, and some of them are attached to these plants. So here we have a baby here, and we've got two nice ones here that grew from these two leaves. This leaf here and this leaf that is already completely shriveled up. So we've got one nice plant here, and I'm going to go ahead and just set that right here. And this is very small. I might save that one. Here's another nice one. Get this, separate this off. Not much roots left with that, but that's okay. I think that'll be okay. And let's just see if we can get these guys out. You can see some of these leaves just dry up, and that's got some roots on it. That actually might make another one. This one here. There we go. And this one here. There we go. Get that off of there. Okay, well, we've got 5 nice ones and a few little babies, which I could pot up in these little pots and see how they do. This one's a little misformed. I think we're not going to keep that one. This one here is pretty nice. Might pot that one up. All right, well, we'll see what we get out of these guys here. But this one's a little leggy already. So let's see if I can pot that down a little bit lower. Get this one here. This one here. I actually left these alone for, to root a little longer than I had planned on, but they've turned out really nice. So let me get some more soil. And I just made a mix of 1/3 coarse sand, 1/3 uh, gravel, which is just like a grit. And in my case, I'm just using poultry grit because it's the only thing you can find here. They don't sell horticultural grit like they do in the UK. They're lucky they're able to get that stuff. I have looked. They don't even have anything labeled horticultural grit at the store. Sad. Okay. So I've got my little brush, and I'll just try to clean these off. And we'll see if we can get. There we go. I think we've got a good, nice 5 little succulents growing here. We're going to need some brighter light to keep them from getting leggy. So I'm going to give them a nice rest for a few days in semi-shade so they adjust, and then I'll gradually give them a lot more light. There we go. So we've potted up these little succulents, and I'm going to give them some water. And I'm going to salvage this one for sure. This one's really nice. Stick this guy in here. There we go. There we go. And I think I'll let the rest of these go. I have too many plants already. So just but I am happy with this. This is nice. And I got all of those from this plant, which I recently, it was just a tall stalk, and I cut that back and repotted it. So it has going to have to root, but it'll root fine just here. And so that one plant, I took some leaves off of there and I made all of these plants, which is really nice. So I'll put a little bit of gravel on the top just to dress it up a little bit. This is that poultry grit, which is fine. It works. And I can order it on Amazon and they'll deliver it. So that works out really good. Okay, all the little rocks are cleared off. And we're going to be ready to give it a little bit of water. There we go. Give them a little water. Give this one a little water. And that one doesn't need any. This one, I've been trying to propagate this one too. There you go. That's how I propagated these 5 little succulents from this one here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.